I wanna have you guys back my video. So yeah, like and subscribe. We're gonna try to get a shark or like a megalodon or something like that. I'm still waiting. I've been waiting all day for one. Still nothing. The salmon. Great, that's 2 times the salmon. Yeah. Alright, hold on. I swear, if this is not good, I'm gonna cry or crash out right now. Son of a... Fine, we got this. We got this, guys. And if the video, if the video's done, and that's probably because I didn't mean to. Because I probably don't have enough storage. Like, room storage to take videos, stuff. Oh my gosh, bro. Why so many, bro? I just don't get it. There's not another salmon. Oh, let's go. I need this one. This is gonna be a little hard. Should be. Alright. Fish. Ooh, fish breathing. Shining ocean. Alright, moose with dogs. Dogs. Where is it? There we go. Alright. Nice. Crazy. Oh, he's not the spot I was expecting him to be. What is he then? Like over there or oh. Sorry, I don't know. Oh whoa. Mythic one. Someday. Why can't you just make it more cheap on me, bro? Can't you just give me it, bro? You can't just why don't I just give you this for it? Yeah, shush. Alright. Yeah. What does this do? What did it do? Did it give me anything? What did it do? What did it even do? Eclipse? Wait, did anything happen or? I don't even know. You just give me like. That. And that. So what'd I get? I got this. Cartoon. Magnet. Oh, right there. Whoa. Oh. Let's get more. Maybe more. Oh, 2. Ah! What would I get? Oh, what is this? Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Ugh. Why don't you give me 5? Don't take too much, though. Ooh, what'd I get? Lobster. Huh, nice. Alright, wait, let me see the lobster. Alright. Can we just, like... There we go. There we go. Well, thanks, I guess. I should have that. That's fine. Guess I got something. Bro, I thought he was right. No, I'm good. Oh my god. Yeah, he should despawn in like a few moments now. Nah, I'm good. You just go what you got. Oh, I just get scared of doing this one. Please don't show anything with him. Okay, good. Yeah, he despawned. He has to despawn soon, like very soon. That went crazy. If you guys can let me know how you get a surgeon. Oh, we're almost trying to get this megalodon. Oh, and if you get me 10 likes on this video, it's to me it's a lot just to get 10 likes or like 2, because I'm still new and I don't really get as much as respect as other people do as YouTubers, where they just get like hundreds of likes. But at least can I get 2, and if I get 2, I'll make a whole video of me doing Fortnite. And yeah, I just hope I can get lots of likes and subs and things, you know? It supports me a lot. I hope you guys can do that for me. I mean, it is a lot to me. Like a lot. I don't get that much at all. Like, not too much at all. But at least some would. Just 10 likes and I'll make a Fortnite video of me doing stuff. I don't know. So we're gonna use this on the Megalodon. The Megalodon. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. I feel dumb right now. Universal. Oh, then we can use that too sometime. I was thinking of me using this one, but I guess if I can just that's fine. Oh wait, hold on. Wait, I still gotta see that too. Oh yeah, we're gonna be using this one then. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, let me get one more. 190. No, I didn't mean to press. I thought it was just 1. Forgot I put 5. Alright. Oh! Thank you. Nothing. Do I have a certain things that will... I really want that mythic one. I really want it like badly. Like super badly. Yeah. Just waiting for... Oh, whoa! I just noticed. An eclipse. I don't know you can see that. Yeah, but I'm so sore right now, like super sore. Because I was on my VR playing Scary Baboon on, like, it's like a gorilla tag, and I got so sore because I was playing all night. And yeah, oh, and if I get 100 subs, or like, like, at least 60 subs, or like 90, I'll do a Baboon Scary VR gorilla tag on my VR. I'll do a video on my VR. I'm not sure how to do it, but I'll search up how to do it, and I'll do it for you guys. So just give me the 60 subs, or 100 or 90. Just give me to 60 at least, please. Please. At least. Please, guys. If you do, guys, thank you. Still green. Alright, guys. Oh, snake. So 84. Please just spawn a shark, like a Megalodon. Megalodon. Please spawn one. Oh my! Whoa! That's a lot. Let me see if my cousin's on here, because he plays so much. Like, so freaking much. Okay, now. Most fish caught. So. No. Oh yeah, I don't think my cousin would be on here. He probably could, but no, I don't think he would. Nope, he's not. Please just get him. I just want a shark, a Megalodon, or any kind of shark event. Please. Just give me a... Spawn my boat. There we go. Oh, now it's gonna stay like this. Spawn my pride of fish. Huh? What? Pride of fish? What do you mean pride of fish? I spawned a pride of fish, or? Oh, huh? Did I huh? Yeah. Going over it. Unlock. I'm so sorry, I gotta stretch. But it hurts. I'm stretching while I'm sore, and it hurts so much. Like a lot. And a lot. I'm gonna go to places to see if there's any better rods. Let's see if this place has a better one than my steady rock. Not too much. Let's go. I hate it like this. Over there. Whoa. Oh no. Oh wait, what? Oh no. Where's it at?